everyone, welcome back to the Auto Show. Today meet the 2025 Porsche Motorhome, where high-performance engineering collides with high-end travel. Designed for those who want speed, style, and a place to sleep under the stars, this is Porsche's boldest leap into the luxury RV world. At first glance, you get that signature Porsche DNA: sleek LED matrix headlights, aggressive body lines, and a stance that says sports car, not camping van. But step back and the scale becomes clear. This is a luxury motorhome through and through. At 26 feet long with an aerodynamic carbon composite shell, it slices through wind better than any RV has a right to. Inside, it's all Porsche, leather, Alcantara, brushed aluminum, and a minimalist layout inspired by the Taycan. There's a smart lounge area, a retractable queen-sized bed, a fully equipped kitchenette with induction cooktop, and yes, even a rain-style shower in the carbon fiber bathroom suite. The cockpit? More mission-y than motorhome. A 15-inch curved OLED display dominates the dash, powered by Porsche's latest infotainment OS. Voice control, wireless CarPlay, 5G connectivity, all standard. And what about performance? It's number 911, but with a dual-motor electric drivetrain producing 700 horsepower and 0 to 60 in under 5 seconds, it leaves most vehicles, and all other RVs, in the dust. Range? About 300 miles on a full charge, with Porsche turbocharging giving you 80% in 20 minutes. Solar panels on the roof add up to 1.5 kilowatts of charging power for off-grid use. And with adaptive air suspension, this thing adjusts to terrain like a Cayenne on steroids. The 2025 Porsche Motorhome isn't just a road trip vehicle. It's a mobile statement, for those who refuse to choose between luxury and adventure. Is it practical? Maybe not for everyone. But is it extraordinary? Absolutely.